Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The AirPods Pro 3 might just be the most important Apple product of 2025. Forget small upgrades, we're talking about AI-powered live translation, health tracking sensors, and a brand new H3 chip that could completely redefine what wireless earbuds are capable of. These aren't just earbuds anymore. They're shaping up to be wearable computers that live in your ears. But here's the question. Are all these leaks real, and if so, what does this mean for Apple's future? In this video, I'm breaking down every single leak, rumor, and insider report about the AirPods Pro 3, from design changes to AI integration, pricing, and release date predictions. And by the end, you'll know if you should upgrade, wait, or grab AirPods Pro 2 while they're still on heavy discount. So if you're ready to see how Apple plans to fight back against Sony, Samsung, and Bose with the AirPods Pro 3, smash that like button, subscribe if you love Apple leaks and reviews, and let's dive straight in. The AirPods Pro 3 are shaping up to be the biggest leap in wireless audio we've ever seen. Forget small upgrades, Apple is reportedly bringing AI-powered live translation, health tracking sensors, and a brand new H3 chip that could blow the competition away. But is all of this real, and will it actually launch in 2025? In this video, we're diving deep into every leak, rumor, and insider report about the AirPods Pro 3, and trust me, by the end, you're going to know exactly whether to wait or buy now. History of AirPods from 2016 to now. Back in 2016, the original AirPods dropped, and people thought they looked ridiculous. But Apple turned them into a fashion statement and a cultural icon. Then in 2019, the AirPods Pro brought noise cancellation and transparency mode, game changers. In 2022, AirPods Pro 2 refined that formula with better ANC and the H2 chip. Now it's 2025. And all signs point to the AirPods Pro 3 being the biggest upgrade yet. What's wrong with current AirPods? Don't get me wrong, AirPods Pro 2 are still some of the best earbuds you can buy. But the battery life, the design, starting to feel old. And competitors like Sony's WF-1000 and Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra are starting to beat Apple in sound quality and noise cancellation. So Apple needs to go big with the Pro 3, or risk falling behind for the first time. AirPods Pro 3 leaks and rumors, the first big one. A brand new H3 chip. This thing could unlock faster connectivity, better battery life, and even next-level spatial audio. But that's not all. Multiple code leaks in iOS 26 hint at live, AI-powered translation built right into AirPods. Imagine traveling in Paris, Tokyo, or Berlin, and your AirPods instantly translate conversations in real time. That's insane. On top of that, there are whispers of health sensors like heart rate and even temperature tracking, turning your AirPods into mini health devices. Apple's AI strategy and AirPods Pro 3 role. Apple isn't just making new earbuds, they're building an AI ecosystem. The iPhone 17 will ship with Apple Intelligence. The Vision Pro is getting smarter, and AirPods Pro 3 might be the first true AI-powered wearable in Apple's lineup. Translation, personalized audio, health tracking, all powered by AI. This isn't just about music. It's about making AirPods the ultimate wearable. AirPods Pro 3 versus competition. Sony WF-1000 killer noise cancellation. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, probably the best sound quality on the market.
Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro?
Rumored AI features just like Apple. So why would anyone pick AirPods Pro 3? Easy, the ecosystem. Pair them with your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, even Vision Pro, and suddenly everything just works. And that's Apple's superpower. Pricing strategy and market tactics. Right now, AirPods Pro 2 retail at $249, but we've seen huge discounts recently, even as low as $149. That's Apple clearing stock before the Pro 3 arrives. Expect a price between $249 and $299 for the new model. Expensive? Expensive? Sure. But Apple knows they dominate the premium market and people will pay. Release date predictions, 2025 versus 2026 debate. Some analysts say AirPods Pro 3 are dropping this September alongside the iPhone 17. Others claim Apple might push them to 2026. Personally, I'm betting on 2025. The cycle lines up: 2019 for Pro 1, 2022 for Pro 2, and now 2025 for Pro 3. Plus, with heavy discounts on Pro 2, It's clear Apple is making room. Why AirPods Pro 3 could redefine earbuds. If these leaks are true, AirPods Pro 3 won't just be earbuds. They'll be translators, health trackers, AI assistants. This could be Apple's biggest wearable since the Apple Watch. And in a few years, we might look back at AirPods Pro 3 as the moment earbuds stopped being just for music and became full-on wearable computers. Speculative features beyond leaks. Now let's dream a little. What if AirPods Pro 3 introduced gesture controls? Nod your head to answer a call? Or tap your ear for shortcuts? What if they used ultra-wideband for precise head-tracking audio in the Vision Pro? Or what if Apple cracked next-gen battery tech for 12+ hours of listening? None of this is confirmed, but with Apple, never say never. Impact on iPhone 17 and Apple ecosystem. Make no mistake, AirPods Pro 3 aren't launching in a vacuum. They'll debut alongside iPhone 17 and the Apple Watch Series 11, and Apple's strategy is clear. Every device makes the others more powerful. AirPods Pro 3 will push you deeper into the Apple ecosystem, and that's exactly how Apple keeps you hooked. Final thoughts, should you wait or buy now? So should you buy AirPods Pro 2 now or wait? If you already own AirPods Pro 2, wait. The Pro 3 are shaping up to be a massive upgrade. But if you're on older AirPods, the Pro 2 deals right now are crazy good, and they're still fantastic. Personally, I'd hold off because if even half of these leaks are true, the AirPods Pro 3 will be worth it. End with a clear recommendation. So here's the bottom line. The AirPods Pro 3 aren't just about better sound or longer battery life. If the leaks are true, these could be the earbuds that finally combine AI, health tracking, and real-time translation into one powerful wearable. Apple knows the competition is catching up, and the Pro 3 could be their answer to staying on top. If you already own AirPods Pro 2, I'd say hold off, because the Pro 3 looks like a massive upgrade. But if you're on the original AirPods or even the AirPods 3, the current Pro 2 discounts are still a great deal. What do you think? Are you hyped for AirPods Pro 3? Or are the leaks just overblown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple news, leaks, and in-depth reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned, because Apple's 2025 lineup is about to get wild. Apple leaks and updates.